Kurumirira kwongerereka kwa ngui cia kimuciii hindi iria bururi wa Kenya wahofanirwo ni murimu wa COVID-19 na gicunji kia 92.2 harĩ igana ni gicungiriirie minstry ya gender, minstry ya ugima wa mwiri, minstry ingi na nyititemi ngũrani guku bururi-ini kwenjera kihumo na kihonia kia ngui cia kimuciii. Mutafariri wa mihango ministry ya ugima wa mwiri Dagitari Masemwagagi augite ngui cia kimuciii ni thina urahutia nyititemi ngũrani guku bururi-ini kwambiriria na aria marigitaga aria mahutitio, maabitha a borithi kuri aria mahutitio matwaraga mateta, akiuga riri nirio ihinda ria gwetha kihonia gia gutura.
Forensic module management guideline that we developed aims to do just that. To be able to have the practitioner collect the evidence in the right manner, because often, like I've told you, with all the magistrates who we caucus with, they do say that sometimes they can see that here there's clear guilt, but the evidence is just not sufficient.
This is what has been necessitated by the events of the last 2 or 3 years, where we have seen a rise or a high number of cases of gender-based violence among us, especially vulnerable people, women, children, and other vulnerable populations like people living with disabilities.
Mwaka wa 2020 gicunji kia 47 harĩ igana kia airĩtu na atumia agatagati ka ukuru wa miaka 15 nginyagia 49 ni mahahamirwo kimwiri kana gutungio ngui cia kimuciii. Gitaru kia Western arikio gitongoretie guoka ni ngui ici na gicunji kia 37, Nairobi gacoka na gicunji kia 35, Nyanza na gicunji kia 34, Eastern gicunji kia 25, Gitaru gia gatagati ga bururi na gicunji kia 21, Rift Valley na gicunji kia 20, Coast na gicunji gia 19, Gitaru kia Northeastern kiri na gicunji gia 6 harĩ igana.
Asante sana.
Kigomano giki gitanyitwo guka na njira cia uria bururi ungigacirithia uhuthiri wa mitambo ya kiriu guoka ni kurogota wira wa ngui cia kimuciii undu umwe na uria magoti guku bururi-ini marihanyukagia macira makonainie na kuhamwo gwa kimwiri na ngui cia kimuciii.
Magistrates is a frustration that the criminal justice system, particularly those who are stakeholders and who are stewards, face when it comes to presentation of evidence.
This matter needs a more in-depth review so that we first take stock of the gender-based situation in the country, look at the various forms of gender-based violence that are being experienced in the country, and how as a country we have been able to address them, and look at innovations that we can have been deployed in order to combat this vice.
Giki nikio kigomano kia mbere gutafanio guku bururi-ini kiria gitanyitwo gutafanio kwa ihinda ria thiku 3. Gilifotera Kameme TV, Ritora kwani Wajiru.
GBV survivors giving us a story.